Hello everyone, welcome back to the Gold Technical Analysis session with Mick. So how have you been doing? I've been doing great and missing a lot of you guys because it's been quite a while that I haven't been online. So this is a new coming back and it's gonna be the same as before. So I'll try my best to upload the video every single day from now on. So let's keep on, planning the goal analysis together. It's Tuesday, but I want to take you through the weekly time frame first. So in the weekly time frame, if you remember, the price have been sent up from this 1680, which is the significant supports if you remember, and it is this demand zone as well. All right, but now the price have now reached our significant resistance as well in the weekly time frame, which is at around 1786. So if you can see, so the price used this as a support for quite a while. So once it's crossed this support, it will turn itself into the resistance. And if you can see in the candlestick from the last week, see, it came back up to test this resistance and the price could still not be able to persist above this resistance. All right, so that's a significant resistance for the weekly time frame. What do we have next in this time frame? So we have this downtrend. If you remember, nothing changed much. All right, and we do have our supply zone here as well. So our supply zone, this is a very beautiful point, you guys. So it's at around 1810. That's where I will be waiting for the gold to come up. All right, so that's done for the weekly time frame. We've got our zones, we got our support and the resistance as well. So let's drop down to the daily time frame. So in the daily time frame, what we can see is really clear that the price could not be persisted above this resistance. But if you want to see what's the significant level here, it's around 1790. All right, so we have our 1790 here. What else? So in the daily time frame, we have a major change here, which is the trend. So the trend in the daily time frame is now being an uptrend. Okay, it is because the price could remove all of the supply here and also forming this uptrend position as well. Okay, but we don't have a significant demand zone for buying really close. It will be quite far down here, so I would say that's not going to be our major plan for today. All right, for the candlestick, not telling quite a lot of information. It's because the price is being in a sideways for around like 3 days, so let's drop down to 4 hours time frame. So beautiful. So in the 4 hours time frame, we have our beautiful demand zone here. Okay, and also we have the price rejection here as well. So for the buying plan, the first one would be this plan at around 1770. Oh, interesting. 1770 to 1764, somewhere around that. But at this point, you need to reduce your risk. Okay, why is that? Is this because if you remember, the price have been pushed down from this significant resistance from a bigger time frame, which is the weekly time frame. So it's really dangerous to enter buy here for the 4 hours time frame. All right, another buying point is this price rejection. If you can see, So if we've got our fast return behavior here, that means that's quite a lot of buying power at 17.54. Alright, so if you add a little bit more up for the spread, I'll say 17.55. Alright, so that's the second plan for buying. Do we have the third plan? Yes, we do. So we are still having our demand zone here. This plan is really beautiful because the demand zone is very, very fresh and we haven't tested this one before. So I say the most beautiful plan for buying is at this point. Okay, so that's going to be around 1740 to 1733. Okay, so this plan is the most beautiful one if you ask me. What about the selling plan? Okay, for the selling plan, easy because I've already put our resistance over there. So if I use my Fibonacci extension to help me, I will have another selling position at around 1813. Okay, so that's gonna be the plan for selling at 1810 to 1813. Okay, beautiful, beautiful. It is going to be fun. Okay, so that's the rough plan for today. I hope you learned something from this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and also please click the subscribe button for us. Thank you very much. If you need the confirming signals, these plans are not confirmed, but you can follow us in our Telegram. So if you're interested to get the confirming signals from our Telegram, please join me in the BUBI project. I will leave the registration link down below. I'll see you in there. Bye.